Hi there, thanks for joining me out in the garden today. So we are right in the middle of December, and if you can believe it, and look at me out here in my short sleeves, gotta love Central Florida. And it's time to talk about round 2 planting. So what round 2 planting is, for our fall garden, we have particular plants that we're going to be harvesting the round 1 and ready to plant round 2. And you need to do your round 2 timing right in the middle of the season, which is now over the next couple of weeks. So if you have anything in the garden, such as carrots, turnips, beets, broccoli, and cauliflower, that's getting close to being ready to harvest but looks like it has stalled, sprinkle it with a little bit of fertilizer. Listen to your plants out in the garden if you haven't fertilized recently, and give it that little bit of an extra boost. Now, I always recommend organic fertilizer or compost to add the additional nutrients into the garden, as well as worm castings do a great job adding those micronutrients and good bacteria to keep that strong soil structure going. But what you're going to want to do is give the carrots a boost. You can tell these carrots back here with the really long greens, these are getting really close and ready to harvest. You can even peek in on them and check around the diameter of the carrot by digging down. Oh yeah, look at that baby. So it's probably ready in width, but not quite in depth. So we need to give them just another week or so, but I did my fertilizing boost earlier this week. So everybody's well on their way. And the reason that we go ahead and plant our round 2 veggies now is because we have just about 2.5 months left of this season. So it's perfect timing to get that full harvest of another round of carrots, another round of broccoli, another round of cauliflower. We have our cabbage over here, and so we're getting close. Within the next 2 weeks, we'll be harvesting this cabbage, and then we can go for our round 2 there as well. Our cauliflower, oh, this baby is doing so good. Take a little peek in here. Hi, can you see him? Yeah, we're getting close. So sometime this week, we'll be harvesting this cauliflower. We've got our beets. We've got a few in the back row that are gonna be ready here this week. And then the rest in the next 2 weeks. So it is time for round 2 planting for everything, our turnips, okay? For everything that you'll be harvesting and have time to plant again. Now, of course, that's not going to be for our tomatoes and our peppers. Those babies will stay put all season long. So thanks for joining me out in the garden, and send me a message and let me know how your round 2 planting is going. This is Amber Harmon with Sun Gold Gardens, helping you grow your own.